OMG, have you guys noticed something different? Yep, I wanted to announce that I cut my hair. I thought I needed a bit of a change this year for some reason. I know it's something about the beginning of the year that makes you want to like do something I think a bit different. My unicorn hair for like literally almost 2 years now, I think, so I thought it was time to kind of change it up, and I love it, guys, and I still love it. So I do actually have extensions that I put in that kind of make my hair kind of the same. So now like I feel like I get to have 2 hairstyles at the same time. Really like the shortness, and yeah, I actually really love it. Let me know what you guys think of this short hair. I personally am feeling this change right now. And I want to thank Stevie English for doing an amazing job on my hair. Louise, you are literally the best. So I wanted to do a video on this vlog channel because like I rarely post up here, and I thought I'd get back into it, at least for now. Who knows how long this is gonna last, but I'm gonna do a PR package because I've been receiving a ton of stuff lately, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got, and I'm starting to try like new makeup and stuff, so it's been kind of an exciting time. Alright, so the first thing I got was from Tarte. Tarte has been sending me pretty much all their new makeup collections these days. Thought I'd share it with you guys in this video. I thought this was super cute. This is their Tarte Park Avenue Princess range, and it's got a whole bunch of kind of bronzy tone makeup. So we've got a lip bling. So the first lip bling is like this kind of gold color, which I thought was very interesting. Oh, guys, like, kind of looks like eyeshadow. I'm gonna swatch all these lip paints just quickly on my hand. This is crazy. Whoa, this is nuts. This is like literally bling. I just realized I'm a horrible swatcher. This is kind of what they look like. They're all kind of bronzy tones. I just popped the middle one on my lips. And these are the swatches of these 3. I'm gonna show you the palette. Whoa! So this is the palette. So it looks like it's got a whole bunch of contour shades and highlight shades. Oh my god, guys, I am literally in love. I love contouring. I am obsessed. I feel like I won't go out these days without like at least contouring like the sides of my face. I don't do that kind of chiseled look, but I kind of go around just to make my face kind of look a bit smaller, more 3D. And the other thing they have, oh, is this really cute bronzer. I feel like this is a bronzer. Waterproof. It's a waterproof bronzer. Okay, I'm definitely gonna test this out. So there's this shadow pot which looks like this, and for some reason when I read shadow pot, I literally thought it was in a pot. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. That's the pretty powder. I just literally dropped it. I'm gonna need a vacuum cleaner. The thing I have is from Smashbox, and Smashbox always sends me their stuff too. So let's have a look at what they sent me this time. Ooh, so it's like this really cute triangular shaped candy thing. You open it and it's got a bunch of stuff like open here. Ooh, so they have a bunch of lipsticks that they sent me. Oh, the middle one is like this sort of palette thing. It looks like cheek, contour, and eye palette. Oh, it's got everything. That's perfect for traveling. How crazy. So it's a 3 palettes there. It's got a shadow highlight, yeah, shadow and highlight palette set. So we're gonna go and look at the lip stuff. I have a bunch of lipsticks. They're so mini size. They are so cute, guys. Favorite's gonna be Primrose. Let's have a look at this color. Ooh, this is a nice color. Swatch it on my hand. And the other favorite color I feel like I'm gonna love is Audition. Oh, nice. So this one is Primrose and that's Audition. Love! Okay, so the next one is this a Smashbox shadow and contour palette. Feels like Christmas has arrived. Oh wow, look at that. That's really pretty. It's a pretty big palette. Wow. Okay, that's a lot of shadow and colors right there. Let's have a look at the formula. Ooh, it's really soft. Color payoff's pretty good. It's really soft. This is gonna be a perfect travel kind of palette. Alright, this is the last little bit. So the first one is called Smashbox Drawn In Decked Out. It's sort of like a dark, smoky, sort of matte palette. This is Drawn In Decked Out in Cover Shot Sultry Eye Palette. This one is the Drawn In Decked Out Cover Shot A Blaze Eye Palette. So I feel like these are warmer tones. I am right. I actually really like the Smashbox eyeshadows. I find that they are very soft and the payoff is really good. Spotlight palette in Pearl are just a bunch of like highlighters. Before I move on, Smashbox sent me this huge like brush set, and I've been using actually a bunch of their brushes. They've been pretty good. So whoa. So you can, ooh, it's upside down. This is like a whole bunch of their foundation brushes. As you can see, the empty ones are me, like I've used them. And this is a whole bunch of their eye brushes. Basically, like their whole range of brushes, I've been pretty impressed. They're all like pro quality brushes. Having the eyeliner brushes, and I've been using them, eyeliner and eyeshadow brushes. Next up, I have Fenty Beauty. So they sent, oh, upside down. So they sent me this set, which was, as you can see, I've been testing their foundation. So I've been using this for the past couple of days, and I've actually been really loving it. It's a bit on the yellow side. I tend to not use as much yellow kind of foundation, but I find that the texture is super watery and goes on really well, and it's apparently been lasting. So that's the foundation I have on today, is like the Fenty Beauty one. Been quite impressed with that. I've tried, and I put it on with their foundation brush the other day, which was pretty good. I also tried their Trophy Wife highlighter, which is kind of like their key product that everyone kind of goes on about. It's this crazy gold yellow highlighter, and I mean, it's great. I'm just gonna pop some on for you guys. I like to use for this kind of stuff like a stippling brush because I don't want a lot of product, so I'll just pop some on here. So that's kind of like the color, and then middle of your nose. I don't know, is that still a thing anymore? I just find that the color is a little kind of too yellow for me. I kind of prefer highlighters that are a little bit more pinky tone. You know, if yellow bronzy looks are your thing and you're like a bit more tanned, I think it would look amazing, but that's not my skin tone. What I was interested in is this highlighter. It's called Unicorn, which I obviously have to test out. It's like this purple color highlighter. So that's the color. I like it a lot more. I haven't tried everything, but I love the foundation so far. And look, they have a little video. And the final thing I wanted to share with you guys is this, because I'm very excited about it. It's the Tarte Shape Tape range. I've been wanting to grab their Shape Tape concealer for the longest time. It's always been sold out, or I was in the wrong store. I think they only sell it at Ulta. I finally have the Shape Tape concealers. They also have one of these brushes, which is the nice foundation brush, and they gave me a few colors to work with, which is good. They have a hydrating range and a matte range. So I'm going to try these out. I haven't had a chance to try them since I was trying the Fenty Beauty foundation. I am like obsessed with finding the perfect foundation at the moment. So yeah, I've just been testing them out. I also got this from them. Oh, so it looks like they have like little eye paddle brushes as well, and a Shape Tape eye primer. Yay! And a palette. Woo! So these are the colors in this particular palette right now. Oh, I think I feel like I will be obsessed. So they're all kind of bronzy colors. Yay! I'm excited! Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of PR unboxing. If you guys want me to do more of these, let me know. So life update guys, what have I been up to? I know I haven't really updated this vlog channel a lot, so I wanted to give you guys a life update. Literally all I've been doing right now is either pre-shooting, so I'm shooting a bunch of content to release. I know in a few months I'm gonna get super busy, so I've also been going to singing lessons pretty much every second or every other day to sort of prep for my music. So as some of you guys have guessed, I'm prepping for some English songs to release as well. So I'll be recording them super soon. I'm really excited and also really nervous because I've only recorded songs in Chinese, but now I'm going to be recording songs in English. I'm going to be working on music videos for the songs, which actually take a long time, guys, of prepping, because like I'm prepping all of it, I'm coming up with the concept and ideas. So it's been taking a while for me to like formulate them and stuff like that. And then I'm gonna be going to China. So I'm just pre-shooting, singing and recording. It's been up right now, which is why you probably haven't heard much from me, because I feel like while I'm like learning to sing and like thinking of all these concepts and ideas, I become like super introverted and not wanting to like talk or like go on social media as much anymore. So that's kind of why I've been kind of quiet. But yeah, that's literally what I've been up to. Let me know what you guys have been up to down below. I love to hear from you guys. I also want to know if you guys have any requests for videos, if you have, you know, any particular videos you want me to shoot on this channel. Whoa, that is a noisy train. Suggest them and I will make them. So love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.